Hello and welcome to my tutorial. When you go to vacation or maybe move temporarily or for good to a different country than yours, when you try to watch online your favorite TV channel, the content will be automatically banned for country restrictions. There are tons of possibilities to overcome this problem, however, I will only suggest you the best out of all of those I have personally tested. My name is Nicola Scanni. With a degree in multimedia and a passion for technology, I have a tendency to pass along my knowledge in a very simple way. Some of you already saw my video where I do explain how and why I promote Pure VPN, which is the best solution for quality, cost and customer service. In fact, you can install it in 5 different devices and use them all at the same time. Most of the other VPN will not give you this advantage. Enough said. Let us start. In my description you will find a tiny URL link. Click on it. Step by step I will show you how to install and use Pure VPN. Do not worry, it's going to be easy. After you have clicked the tiny URL link in my description, you need to proceed with the payment. It costs less than a cup of coffee per month. If this stops you, I'm sorry to tell you, but you are a fool, because a year from now you will buy one and you will regret losing a year looking for a free method that will never work. If you're making the payment, pause the video now and come back when you've finished. In the download page, choose properly. There are many different OS from Windows to Apple, Android, Kodi, etc. Click and select to keep the file. I've done the same and I have it now on my desktop. If you have not changed the browser setting, you will find the file instead under Users, the name of your PC, in the download folder. Right-click on it and choose Run as administrator. Read and then accept their agreement and click Next. Click Next again to confirm the installation folder and once again to create a shortcut in the Start Menus folder. I uncheck Run automatically and log on because I wanted to use it only when needed. After, I click on Install. We now wait for a while until they configure Pure VPN. Depending on your system, it will take from 1 up to 3 minutes. Once the setup is finished, leave Launch Pure VPN checkmarked and click on Finish. When it is launched, click on Login. Use the ID and password that was given to you and click on Login. Here you find 5 different windows. You can choose depending on what are your needs. I choose Internet Freedom because I want to overcome a country restriction to watch a TV channel. There are many countries you can choose from. I am now in Denmark and I choose Italy. The first time you connect Pure VPN, you must set the network location. I am at home and I choose Home, and after I can close the window. As you can see, the location is Milan, Italy, therefore when I open the browser I have Google in Italian language. I now enter a link address for an Italian sports channel, Rai Sport, and as you can see it did not block the content, as I can easily watch the Giro d'Italia in HD and in full screen. The quality will be better than the one you see in this video since this is just a reproduction. This is it for today. If you like my tutorial, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. This way, every first weekend of the month, you will find a new video here on my YouTube channel. If you have a question, please leave a message. I will answer as soon as possible. Thank you for listening and enjoy your favorite TV channels. Thanks to Pure VPN. Ciao!